Good afternoon, students. In this video, we are going to discuss causes or some factors that lead to the World War II. Okay. In previous video, we have discussed that Benito Mussolini established fascism in Italy. Second, Adolf Hitler established Nazism in Germany. And third, after the death of Meiji, Hirohito established militarism in Japan. So, World War II is also a fought between Allied nations and Axis nations. In World War I, we have seen that in World War I, total 4 nations took part or fought from the Axis nation or Axis side of nations. But in World War II, only 3 nations from the sides of Axis nations, or these 3 nations include Germany, Italy and Japan. We have seen that Italy and Japan was on the side of a victory, means this both nation was on the victory side in a First World War, but after humiliation from the European country of Italy, because Italy couldn't get some choices territory, and Japan couldn't get some choices territory in Asian continent. So that's why Japan jumped from Allied nation to Axis nation, and same way Italy was done this type of mistake. Okay. First, we will see the dates. 1st September 1939 to 2nd September 1945, means World War I was started in 1st September 1939, which was ended in 2nd September 1945. Okay. Location. Most originator or origin of World War II is Europe, means most of European country like Germany, Italy, France, UK, USSR had been involved from the World War II. Second is a Pacific Ocean, means USA and Japan, this both the nations were fought from this Pacific Ocean. Third is the Atlantic Ocean, UK, USSR and France from this side, Atlantic Ocean. Fourth is a South East Asia. Southeast Asia. From this Southeast Asia, mostly Japan invaded or attacked on Philippines. At that time, Philippines was a territory of a United States of America. Second, Malaysia. So, Japan invaded or attacked Philippines, Malaysia and Manchuria. And this is from this belongs to the Southeast Asia. Okay. So, what was the location of this World War II? Means this is origin from Europe, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southeast Asia. That's why we could consider it in a World War II. Okay. What was the leader included in this World War II? So, first from the Allied nations, another side from a Axis nation. Okay. From Allied nation, American President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Second, we didn't mention or not necessary to mention name here, only a country. From Allied USSR, USA, Britain, China and France. This is the major superpower or mostly developed country at that time who engaged or included in this First World War from the Allied nation. Second is from this Axis nation, only three countries: Germany, Italy and Japan. What was, see here, this is the map of Europe in 1939. Means at the time of World War II, this is the map of Europe, in which we have seen that in World War I that triple alliance was signed between Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. Okay. And second, triple entente was signed between Russia, France and UK, in which Italy and France wanted to be the neutral in a First World War, but according to this treaty, Germany and Italy developed very good relations, which is helpful both countries to attack and capture other countries. Okay, so this is the resulting of this triple alliance. This is a map of 1939 in which Germany, because of their ruler, ambitious ruler Adolf Hitler, Germany captured these neighboring territories like Poland, France, Belgium and other side Norway, Finland, okay, here Switzerland, also attacked on Spain, Austria-Hungary and Germany attacked on Russia as well. Okay, so what was the mistake done by this Germany's Adolf Hitler is in World War I? We have seen that he means German attacked on America or in a USA that led to the First World War, and it could be considered as the immediate reason of a First World War. In Second World War, Germany attacked on USSR. जर्मनी क्या करती है तो वो है वो 30 लाख सोल्जर्स है वो यहाँ पे यूएसएसआर की बॉर्डर पे लगाती है. एट दैट टाइम एट द बॉर्डर एरिया ऑफ यूएसएसआर that area is a very well developed in terms of industry. Okay, that area was very well developed in terms of industry. So that's why Adolf Hitler attacked on that area and wanted to capture this area, because they have so many provinces but no land to establish a industry or can doing a agricultural activity with this land. Okay, that's why Hitler attacked on this USSR's border area, which was considered to be the main mistake or fall of Hitler, or from that reason Axis nation lose the World War II. What was the policy adopted by this Axis nation? In next video we will discuss Allied nations policy, but here we only discuss about Axis nation situation at that time. First Axis nation is Italy. Italy cooperated with Germany from 1936 onward because of the Triple Alliance. Okay, because Italy felt that Mussolini felt that Germany expanded their neighboring country, or Germany expanded their territorial rule very well. So that's why Italy cooperated with Germany from 1936 onward, and also Adolf Hitler saved Benito Mussolini from some battles. Okay, that's why they developed very good relations with Italy and Germany. Next, Germany invaded Poland in 1931. So, Germany couldn't get France and USSR, but Poland backed or supported by France and USSR, because the treaty was signed between USSR, France and Poland. If any other country attacked on us, that's then and after we will protected one another. Okay. So Germany attacked on Poland in 1939. So then after France and USSR also indulged in World War II, and Germany also invaded France with the help of Italy and USSR in 1941. And third nation, Italy followed fascism, Germany followed Nazism, and Japan attacked on Manchuria in 1931. Japan also invaded China in 1937, because we have studied that Japan couldn't get enough or choicest territory from European nations as per the treaty. And immediate cause of this World War II, there is a two immediate cause. First is Germany attacked on Poland, and second is Japan attacked on a USS one port name is a Pearl Harbor, because like a First World War, USA didn't want to indulge in World War II, but Japan immediately attacked USS Pearl Harbor. That would be considered to be the immediate reason. And then after in 1945, after the end of World War II, USA दो बम हिरोशिमा और नागासाकी पे दो बम भी फेंकती है. ओके, so Germany is attacked on Poland and Japan is attacked on Pearl Harbor, which was considered to be the immediate reason of this World War II. In this video, we are going to discuss about World War II. In previous video, we have seen some brief overview about the World War II, in which, like World War I, there is two nations. First is a Allied and other one is a Axis nation, or other name of Axis nation is a Central Power. Okay, in which we have already discussed that what was the movement took place at that time in the Axis nation. So, in Axis nation there were only three nations. First is Italy, second Germany, and third is Japan. First Italy, second Germany, and third is Japan. So, we have seen that Italy followed fascism, and the leader of this fascism was Benito Mussolini. Benito Mussolini was the leader of this fascism. Okay, they followed aggressive nature. Italy followed aggressive nature or signed a treaty or pact with another country. Why? Because all the nation want to become a superpower. All the nations wants to become a superpower like a USA. So, Italy cooperated with Germany from 1936 onwards. Okay, Italy cooperated with Germany from 1936 onward, because Mussolini felt that at that time Hitler was a very powerful dictator, or Hitler expand Germany's territorial growth very well. At that once time, Germany or Hitler captured all around this portion. Okay, Hitler captured or expanded their territorial rule over this in the Europe. Okay, why? Because in causes we have seen that the first cause is Treaty of Versailles. German people couldn't get overcome from this Treaty of Versailles, so that's why they blame their government, that government should do government shouldn't do anything. That's why one dictator named Adolf Hitler raised and followed the dictatorship and very aggressive dictatorship, and they captured all over the Europe, most of the country and most of provision. So we will see further, but so Mussolini felt that Hitler was a true so strong, that's why they cooperated with Germany from 1936 onward. Next is Germany. We have seen that Germany followed Nazism, and the leader of this Nazism is Adolf Hitler. Germany invaded Poland in 1939. Poland is here because before the First World War there is no Poland, you can't see Poland in the map, but after before the Second World War, from this took up territory from Germany. Germany से territory लेके Poland बना था, तो Germany couldn't get overcome from this Poland because Germany and Poland is a neighboring country. That's why Hitler firstly they capture all over these western provinces, and that in 1940 and 1939 they attacked on Poland first. Second, he also invaded France in 1940 and USSR in 1941. Today we know this USSR as a Russia because historians say that USSR have been divided 12 times, and then after from USSR it will make a Russia. Okay, so Germany invaded Poland in 1939, France in 1940 and USSR in 1941. Okay, here Germany invaded Poland here first, France 1940 and USSR 1941. Okay, so there are three provinces or neighboring countries. Third, Japan. Whatever this movement is or can be seen only in European nation or in Europe, from Italy to Germany. But third country, Japan. Japan's movement can be seen in a Pacific Ocean or on a eastern country, because we have seen that Japan after the First World War, Japan is from or belong to the Japan also from the winning side. Japan also belong to the winning side, but Japan couldn't get some choices territory, and that's why Japan's people at that time we have seen election was held, so Japan follow militarism, and one leader of this militarism was Meiji. After the death of Meiji, one ruler Hito became ruler, and they also followed militarism in Japan, which is a very aggressive in nature. So Japan couldn't get some choices territory in western countries, so that's why Japan first attacked on Manchuria. We have seen that Manchuria is located between, this is Russia and this is Japan, so it is located between Russia and Japan. This is Manchuria. Okay. In Russian Revolution, We have already discussed that from the Manchuria and other is a Korea. From this belong to the two country, Russia and Japan fought one battle in which Russia lost this battle very badly. Then and after Japan attacked on Manchuria in 1931. Japan also invaded China in 1937. Why China? Because we have discussed that Japan couldn't get choicest territory of China, while European countries get whatever the choicest territory and whatever from his choice, but Japan couldn't get Chinese territory. So Japan also invaded China in 1937. And one biggest mistake of Japan is Japan attacked on Pearl Harbor port, which is belong to the USA in 1941, which is the main cause of or immediate reason for that led to the World War II. Okay, we will discuss, but this is the overview what or why this country expanded their territorial rule. Okay, now Allied nation. What was the stance of Allied nation at that time? First is the US. Like World War I, US is always wanted to become a neutral. Passed Neutrality Act in 1935, 37 and 39. Okay. US passed Neutrality Act 3 times, first in 1935, second 1937 and third in 1939. Okay. US one fundamental rule is gave land lease aid. Land lease aid to the Britain, China and USSR. Okay. Through their cash and carry provision. US at that time US mostly sold weapons to the other countries, means cash law or weapon law, means cash and carry provision. Under the cash and carry provision, they gave land lease aid to the Britain, China and USSR. Okay. US declared war on Japan in 1941. Why one country wanted to become a neutral and pass 3 neutrality act in the consequence year? Then and after they declare war on Japan in 1941, because of this reason we have seen that because Japan attacked on Pearl Harbor in 1941. Okay. So this is the immediate reason of the World War II in eastern countries. Second is Great Britain. So to seeing Hitler's expansion or territorial growth, most of the country is appeased or calm to calm down Hitler by territorial growth. Okay, means they appreciate Hitler's territorial growth. This is the main power of this Hitler, because Hitler कुछ भी करे, कोई भी country उसको कुछ बोलती थी नहीं. Okay, so that's why. But Great Britain declared war on Germany in 1939. Okay. Great Britain declared war on Germany in 1939. तो आप बोलोगे कि in first line you have said that most of the country appreciate Hitler's territorial growth, and why Great Britain attacked on Germany in 1939? Because Germany attacked on Poland in 1939. Okay, but according to the treaty, Poland is backed by France and Great Britain. So according to the treaty, whenever the other country attacked on us, then the other country's responsibility is to save from this attack. So that's why Poland was backed by France and Britain as per the treaty. That's why Britain didn't want to indulge in this World War II or against the Germany, but according to the treaty, they declared war on Germany. Then after, German also attacked in 1941. So Britain very powerfully resisted this German attack in 1940, and we have seen that US gave land lease aid to Britain, China and USSR. So they received US aid through which provision? Cash and carry provision, and they become a powerful, received US aid through land lease program and cash and carry provision. Okay, so this is the Great Britain stance at that time. Now third is France. What was the stance of France at that time? Okay, along with Great Britain, tried to appease means appreciate or to calm down Hitler. Okay, along with Great Britain. Here Great Britain also done same thing to appreciate Hitler for the territorial growth, while France did also the same thing. They also appreciate Hitler by this territorial growth. Second, declared war on Germany in 1939 after Poland was invaded. Okay, why France also wanted to become a neutral, but why France attacked on Germany because of this treaty. Here since Poland was backed by France and Britain, and at that time Germany attacked on Poland. So as per the treaty, France had to save this Poland from this attack. That's why they declared war on Germany in 1939. And after this attack, France is not sustained with this attack. So that's why France, the Nazis, the Germany's Nazi of the Germany occupied in 1940. France occupied by Nazis in 1940. Okay, and fourth one is the most powerful USSR. Okay, one communist or very harsh dictator name is Joseph Stalin was the leader of that USSR at that time. So they mostly created the industrial power. Okay, they mostly created industrial growth here at the border area. Here, Joseph Stalin created a industrial growth. Okay, and signed non-aggression pact with Germany in 1939, which is the most important reason which is considered or led to the World War II. Okay, why this is the important reason we will discuss further. Okay, so this is the stance of this at that times particular country's government. Okay, and this is Axis nation stance and what is Allied nation stance. Okay, so now we will discuss reason. First is some treaty. What was the first reason that led to the Second World War is some treaties. Okay, after the World War I, France was also afraid from Germany because France and Germany is a neighboring country. So France is also afraid from this Germany. So France signed a treaty with Belgium, Poland, Romania and Czechoslovakia. This country is over here. Belgium, Poland, here is Finland, Yugoslavia and Czechoslovakia. Other country is above from this Poland. Okay, so France signed a treaty with Belgium, Poland, Romania and Czechoslovakia. Other side, Italy also signed a treaty with Czechoslovakia, Yugoslavia, Hungary, Romania, Greece, Turkey and Austria. Russia also signed treaty. We have discussed that non-aggression treaty signed with Germany in 1939. second Turkey, Lithuania and Iran. So, this is the treaty which was considered to be the responsible for the World War II. Second one is a, first one is a treaty, second is a nationalism, or you can say a fierce nationalism. What is the definition of nationalism? We have already seen in a First World War that love for our country and hate for the other country is known as a nationalism. So, most of the country followed this nationalism funda, and that is why most of the country also believed that our country or country become a superpower, or our country led whole world, or known as a central country or central power. Okay, that's why that fierce nationalism led to the World War II. Okay, and third and most important reason is a Treaty of Versailles. Treaty of Versailles. Okay, we have seen that Allied nations stance was to calm down Hitler, because Allied nations have enough territory, or they get enough territory from this after the World War I. But why the Axis nation stance was too aggressive? Because कहीं ना कहीं पे एक्सिस नेशन को ऐसा लग रहा था कि दे कुडंट गेट इनफ और चॉइसेस टेरिटरी, लाइक इटली. वी हैव सीन दैट इटली कुडंट गेट अ चॉइसेस टेरिटरी इन अ यूरोपियन नेशन. दे ऑल्सो इम्पोज द $12 billion fine, and Italy also lost 6 lakh soldiers in World War I. Then and after they couldn't get choices territory, so that's why now Italy believed in to invade other countries and to capture and expand their rule from this other country. Germany is also believed, because all the war fine was imposed on Germany. Then and after, Germany believed that our government shouldn't do anything for us. So that's why one harsh dictator named Adolf Hitler was raised and started territorial expansion, and Japan was also assessed of this region. Okay. So, Treaty of Versailles. According to this Treaty of Versailles, Germany had to give some provisions to the other countries. Germany had to open Rhineland River sea route for the all another countries. Okay, Germany give the Rhine provision to the France, and Germany had to provide important minerals to the European nation, included US, Britain and USSR. Okay, and one immediate reason which is considered to or lead to the World War II is, first, Germany attacked on Poland in 1939, and second, this is the thing which you have to remember for European countries. Second is Japan attacked on a Pearl Harbor port, which is belong to the US in 1941. Okay. Why did other reasons? Why did World War II begin? Why did World War II begin? First, Japan invaded Manchuria from China. First reason is Japan invaded Manchuria from China. Second, Italy invaded or attacked on Abyssinia, or other name of is Ethiopia. Ethiopia is one African country, backward African country, which was fought with the very old weapons. Okay, that's why Italy won this battle very easily, and Italy ruled their colony or established their colony in Ethiopia, Abyssinia. Okay, third is Germany's remilitarization in Rhineland. Hitler remilitarization means to make a very powerful military. Okay, so Germany remilitarization in Rhineland, and Germany also invaded Czechoslovakia. Germany also invaded Czechoslovakia, then and after Yugoslavia also. Okay, this is the three reason of the Axis nation which was considered to be the beginning of a World War II, when Japan invaded Manchuria from China. Second, Italy invaded Abyssinia or Ethiopia, and third, Germany's remilitarization in Rhineland. Germany also attacked on Czechoslovakia and Yugoslavia. Okay. Next, when we considered European power or European nations, so first, when Germany attacked on Czechoslovakia, first Germany attacked on Czechoslovakia, then and after Germany getting very little or less response from European Union or European countries, because not any one country didn't do anything after the Czechoslovakia was invaded. Okay, so Hitler को क्या लगा कि कोई कुछ तो बोल नहीं रहा है. Then and after Hitler also invaded Yugoslavia. Okay, first, then after two countries, UK and USSR or Britain or USSR, told Hitler that now from your side no territorial growth should happen. मीन्स इसके बाद आप कोई टेरिटोरियल ग्रोथ करोगे नहीं, टेरिटोरियल एक्सपांसन करोगे नहीं. देन एंड आफ्टर हिटलर couldn't believe in this thing and they continue expanded their territorial rule. Here, what was the mistake done by Germany or Hitler? Before that, we know that Germany first invaded Poland, then after Germany and Italy both combined invaded or attacked on France, then and after Germany and Italy both Germany and Italy both combined attacked on UK or Britain, but Britain resisted their Germany's attack very well. That's why this territory was not captured by Germany. From we are moving to the north, then we found that Yugoslavia, Czechoslovakia also invaded. Germany also attacked on Finland, but Finland resisted German attack very well. That's why Germany couldn't get Finland as well. Between Germany and Poland, here is two small country, Latvia and Lithuania or Lithuania. This country is invaded by Russia, because here we have seen that in USSR signed a non-aggression pact with Germany. Okay, USSR signed non-aggression pact with Germany. That's why Germany couldn't do anything when Russia attacked on this small country or territorial expansion. Okay, major mistake done by Germany when we consider in a First World War, then we have seen that in First World War, Germany attacked on USS ship and some around 189 civilians and army members were died. That's why USA become very fierce and they attacked on Germany, and that is considered to be the end of Germany. In World War II, Germany suddenly attacked on USSR, which was considered to be the big mistake of this Germany. Let's see here. When according to this pact, non-aggression pact, Germany and Russia become a very good friend, but German dictator Adolf Hitler was too greedy at that time and they suddenly attacked on Russia. So रशिया को समझ नहीं आया कि अचानक इतना बड़ा अटैक कहाँ से हुआ. At that time Germany spent 3 million soldiers, करीब 30 लाख सोल्जर्स उन्होंने कहाँ पे लगा दिए थे, रशियन बॉर्डर पे. बट द मिस्टेक वॉज डन हियर, क्योंकि रशिया में वन प्लेस है, वी हैव ऑल नो दैट, साइबेरिया, जो बहुत ही ठंडा प्लेस माना जाता है. तो वहाँ से क्योंकि जर्मनी के जो सोल्जर थे वो इतनी ठंडी में कभी भी लड़ सकते थे नहीं और उसको हैबिलिटी थी नहीं. एंड रशिया एट दैट टाइम प्लेस दैट साइबेरियन आर्मी ओवर हियर, बिकॉज साइबेरियन के जो सोल्जर थे वो ठंडी में ही लड़ते थे एट दैट. इसीलिए क्या हुआ कि साइबेरियन जो आर्मी है, रशियन आर्मी है, वो जर्मनी को यहाँ पे हरा देती है. सो सभी साइड से फिर रशिया, फ्रांस और ऊपर से यूके सभी लोग है वो जर्मनी पे अटैक करते हैं. दैट्स वाई जर्मनीज टेरिटोरियल ग्रोथ नाउ डिक्रीज. फर्स्ट वी हैव सीन दैट जर्मनी गेट अ वेरी गुड एक्सपांशन, but one mistake they done by them is to attack on Russia, because Germany getting land, and at that time, today now you can see in a map that Russian territory is very large. So Germany have a good amount of territory, but for farming and agriculture and for industrial growth they have no land. So that's why they wanted to invaded Russia, but it's Adolf Hitler's dream. Okay, and that's why Germany defeated in World War II. On other side, from here to when we go eastern side, then can be found that Japan suddenly attacked on Pearl Harbor. When we see in the map, then we can also found that Japan is a very small country even today, because Japan is made up of 3 islands, and Japan's important island is Honshu. Okay, so Japan mostly made up of this Honshu island. Okay, so Japan also captured some Russian territory from south. They also captured Korea, and from Australia, also from eastern part they capture very good territorial, and overall we can say that Japan captured or established a good amount of territorial growth. Then and after, what one mistake was done by Japan is Japan attacked on Pearl Harbor, because before the attack on Pearl Harbor, Japan attacked on Philippines, and this Philippines is belong to the USS territory colony. So that's why USA also warned Japan to didn't do this type of attack, but Japan won't believe in USA. So that's why Japan attacked on Pearl Harbor port, which is considered to be the immediate cause or immediate reason of a World War II. That's why then and after, USA put 2 bombs, first in Hiroshima and second in Nagasaki city of Japan, 2 nuclear bomb. And when we see on eastern side, then USA attacked on Japan, and other sides. When we talk about the western side, then we have seen that Germany attacked from the Russia, Britain, and from France. From all the directions, Germany can get attacked on them. So that's why Germany's territorial growth now decrease. Okay. So how the battle or war, which is originating in only European nation, now to be known as a world war, एक बैटल और वॉर जो यूरोपियन नेशन में ओनली अराइज हुआ, और वो कैसे वर्ल्ड वॉर बना, वी हैव सीन ऑल द थिंग्स. ओके.